Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about how to use a secure virtual data room to comply with industry regulations. Let's go. Benefits of using VDRs for compliance. Security. VDRs use industry standard security protocols to protect your confidential data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. This is important because industry regulations often require businesses to protect certain types of data, such as customer information and financial data. Control. VDRs allow you to control who has access to your documents and what they can do with them. This is important because industry regulations often require businesses to restrict access to sensitive data to only those who need it. Transparency. VDRs provide a transparent view of the document sharing process. This can help you to demonstrate to regulators that you are complying with their requirements. Efficiency. VDRs can help to streamline compliance tasks by automating tasks and providing tools for collaboration. This can save you time and money. Then, how to choose a VDR for compliance? Security. Make sure to choose a VDR that uses industry standard security protocols to protect your confidential data. Compliance features. Some VDRs offer specialized features for compliance, such as audit trails and e-signatures. Consider the features that are important to you when choosing a VDR. Industry compliance. Some VDRs are certified as compliant with specific industry regulations, such as HIPAA and SOC2. If you are subject to specific industry regulations, make sure to choose a VDR that is certified as compliant with those regulations. Pricing. VDR provides vary in price, so it's important to compare prices before you make a decision. Customer support. Choose a VDR provider that offers good customer support in case you need help using the VDR. Tips for using a VDR for compliance. Use a VDR's features to set up users' permissions and track user activity. This will help you to control who has access to your documents and what they can do with them. Use the VDR's communication tools to communicate with regulators and other stakeholders. This can help to streamline the compliance process and answer any question they may have. Monitor the VDR's audit trail regularly to identify any suspicious activity. This will help you to protect your confidential data from unauthorized access and to demonstrate to regulators that you are complying with their requirements. Then, conclusion. Secure virtual data rooms are a valuable tool for compliance. By following the tips in this video, you can choose and use a VDR to protect your confidential data, streamline your compliance process, and demonstrate to regulators that you are complying with their requirements. That's it. Hope you have understand this topic. Thank you very much, everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.